Welcome to Knowledge Center. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for supporting an educational channel. Keep your support as it is, and this motivates us to upload more videos on the education concept. So today I am here with a new topic regarding the problems on ages, that is average age. Yes, I am going to solve 4 important problems on average age. To understand this, we need to have some basic information of average. So that is nothing but, here you can look at the board, the formula has been written for average. Average is nothing but the sum of observation made divided by the total number of observation. For example, to understand this, let me take one example here. Average age of father and mother is, let me consider some number here, say 48 years. So average age of father and mother is 48 years. Here, how to understand this? Father and mother are the observation. So the sum of father and mother, we can write it like this: father age plus mother age divided by total number of observations. So how many observations we have? Father and mother, 2 observations. So 2. That is equal to 48 years. So this will be the average of a sum of father and mother age. Okay. So this is how we need to understand the average concept. We can also have another statement. The average of a father, mother and child is 82. Then what we can do? Father plus mother plus child. So we have 3 observations divided by 3 will be equal to 82. So this is how the statement expressions can be obtained. Okay. So now I will take a few questions so that it will be easy for you to understand the way of solving the problems. First, let us start with the basic and a simple question. So question number 1, you can look on the screen now. In a family, the average age of father and mother is 35 years. The average age of father, mother and their only son is 27 years. Okay, what is the age of the son? So they have given the average ages of father, mother separately, and also they are given the average age of father, mother and son together. So let us write a statement here. So what is the average age of father and mother is 35. So you can say the age of father plus age of mother, if I divide it by how many observations? 2. We have 2. Then that average is given as 35. So this is the given statement. And they also given the statement that the average of the father, mother and their only son is 27. So when they take the average of 3, father, mother plus a son or a child, divided by 3 can be taken as 27. That is given in the statement. Right. So now they want to find out the age of a son. So what is the age of this child or a son? So let me take it as yes. That indicates son. Okay. So using this first equation, we can say the age of father plus mother can be taken as 35 into 2, that is 70. And now this we can upload, you can just put it in this. Therefore we can say, in place of f plus m, the age of father, mother, I can put 70 plus the age of son is equal to 3 into 27. So I will take this 3 towards the RHS, so it will be 3 into 27. Therefore the age of son can be given as, what is this number here? It will be 81, and this 70 we take it to the LHS. The difference of that will be the age. So son age is going to be 11 years. The age of the son is 11 years. So this is how we can solve it very easily. So this is the first question, and it was very simple question. So what we need to do is, you should understand how many observations have been given. So based on the statement, we have solved it easily. Now let's take up the second question. So look at the board on the screen, you will get the question. So this states that 5 years ago, okay, it's about past. 5 years ago, the average age of A, B, C, D was 45 years. With E joining them now, so now is nothing but the present. With E joining them now, the average age of all the 5 is 49 years. So how old is E? Okay, so you just need to find the age of E. But one thing you need to understand, in this question they're talking about past because 5 years ago. So first let us write past and present. So how many years ago? It is 5 years ago. So and it is past. So I'll take it as minus 5. So 5 years ago, the average age of A, B, C, D was 45 years. So in the past condition, I can write the average age of A, B, C, D. So I can write it as the sum of A plus B plus C plus D whole divided by, I have 4 observation, by 4 will be equal to 45, because that is the statement. Right, this is about the past, this is in the past, right, with E joining them now, that is about present. So for this A, B, C, D, E is also joining, and if I take the average of all those 5, that is 49. So in present we can write, we have A, B, C, D and E is also joined. So if I take the average of them, that will be 49. So how to write that? A plus B plus C plus D plus E, means these are the ages, sum of ages divided by 5, because we have 5 members, is equal to the number is 49. Right. So if this is the condition, what would be the age of E? How old is E? That is the question. So here we can now directly substitute this ABCD value into this, which we have done in the previous case. In the previous case, we have just substituted the value of F and M together and we got the answer. But here, we should be very careful. The important thing what we need to understand here is, this is regarding the 5 years ago and this is the present condition. Okay. So, A plus B plus C plus D is given here. So I can write, according to this I can write A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 45 into 5. So 45 into 4. So 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, it is 180. It will be 180. You cannot replace this portion as 180 now, because this is in the past, 5 years ago. Now just what you need to do is, you just add plus 5 for each person. For A plus 5, for B plus 5, C plus 5 and D plus 5. So add those 5 years for each person so that we can come into the present situation. So what I mean is, you convert this into a present condition. So how to do that? A, B, C, D, everyone's age has to be increased by 5. So I can say that at present what will be the condition? A plus B plus C plus D can be given as 180. It was 5 years ago. But when we consider after 5 years, now present, plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. I have added 5 4 times because we have 4 members there. Each will have a plus 5 age. So totally it will be 200 years. Okay, it will be 200. Just take a number. It will be 200. The average value it is. Okay. So after getting this, substitute it here. Therefore, A plus B plus C plus D present is 200, not 180. 5 years ago it was 180. But when we take a present condition, add 5 for each person, so you get 200. Therefore, it is 200 plus E is equal to 49 into 5. I am taking that 5 towards RHS side. So this is going to be 5 9 the 45, 5 4 the 20, it will be 245. Therefore, E is equal to 245 minus 200. That is nothing but 45 years. So E is 45 year old. This is the answer. Okay, so this is whatever the solution I am doing here, this will be helpful for the beginner. First you need to understand the concept properly. Once you solve more and more problems over there, you can easily analyze it, and by just looking into the options, you can get the answers there. So this funda, I think it is clear for you. Now let's take up the next question. On the screen you can read the question. You have to go through the question carefully, because we get all the statements, expressions in the statements itself. So the question number 3 says that the average age of a husband and wife who were married 4 years ago, again they are talking about past, 4 years ago, was 25 here. Okay, at the time of their marriage. So at the time of marriage, their average age was 25 here. The average age of the family consists of husband, wife and child. born during the interval is 20 here today. This is about present. The age of the child is dash. So that's what you need to find. So again we will have a past and present because they are talking about the past 4 years. Okay. So we can say minus 4 years. So 4 years ago they married together. Husband and wife, two persons married together. Okay, 4 years ago. And if they consider the average of husband and wife, the average was 25 years. That's what the question. So husband and wife, if I divide it by 2, that was 25 years. This is the first statement they are given. Right. So now, after 4 years, at the present time, they have a child. And that average is given as husband plus wife plus child. If I divide it by 3, they have given the average of those 3 persons is as 20 years. And they are asking you to find the value of the age of child. This is as similar to the previous question. So what you need to do first, you need to find husband and wife can be given as 50. If I take it like this, the sum of ages of husband and wife is 50. So you cannot put H plus W directly here. What you need to do is, this is past 4 years ago. So just add 4 years for husband and 4 years for wife so that you can come it into present condition. Therefore, if I write it in present, I can write it like this. Husband plus wife will be equal to 50 plus 4 years for husband plus 4 years for wife. Totally, we get 58. Right. So this is the ages of sum of husband plus wife is 58 at present. Now you can substitute it here. Therefore, 58 plus child. So in place of H plus W, I am substituting it here, is equal to 3 into 20 is 60. Therefore, the age of child will be 60 minus 58, that is 2 years. The child is 2 years old. So this is as easiest way of getting the answer. Only the thing, you have to understand the statement clearly. Now look at the last question, that is the fourth question of today's session. The statement is, you can read it on the screen. Average age of 6 sons. Average age of 6 sons of a family is 8 years. Okay. Average age of a son together with their parents is 22 here. If the father is older than the mother by 8 years, then the average age of mother is, then the age of mother is how much? So that's the question. So here we can say that I need to find the age of mother. So let me say the age of mother, I will consider it as X. And the father age, they are given the statement that father is older than mother by 8 years. So I can say if mother age is X, father age will be X plus 8. Okay, you need to find X, that's it. For that we can make use of that statement. Age of 6 sons of a family is, average age of 6 sons of a family is 8 years. So we can say that average age of 6 sons. So 6 sons by 6 can be given as 8. 6 sons divided by total number of sons, 6 is equal to 8. That is a given statement. And also they are given one more statement here. Average age of son together, all the 6 sons together with their parents is 22 here. So we can say that 6 sons plus father plus mother. So total 6 sons plus 2 members will get 8. He is 22 years. This is the statement given. Right. So totally I can say how many persons I have here? 8 persons. This I can write it as 8 person by 8 is equal to 22. That is the statement given here. So now using this, you just need to find X. Using these two statements, we need to find X. Okay. Here I know 6 sons can be given as, sum of 6 sons can be given as, sum of 6 sons age can be given as 8 into 6, 8 6 are 48. So in place of 6 sons, I can put 48 here. Okay. Therefore I can say 48 plus, what is the age of M? Sorry, age of M is X. What is the age of F? X plus 8. So I am just putting it as X plus 8. And what is the age of M? Is X. I have considered it as X. Is equal to 22 into 8. This 8 is taken towards RHS side. So now what happens here? In 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16, 176 will be the number here. And this 48 I can take it towards the RHS side. So we will get minus 48. X plus 8 plus X. So even it can take this minus 8 here. And we get 2X. So 176 minus 48 minus 8, this is going to be 120. Therefore, the x, that is the age of mother, that can be given as 120 by 2, which is nothing but 60 years. So according to the question, we need to find the age of mother. So the age of mother is 60. Whereas we can say the father age will be 68. So this is the way of solving the problems on average age concept. I hope this is clear for you. If it is clear, press like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.